Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So we're going to talk about how to go viral on TikTok. I'm going to take you inside my account. We're going to look at some of my most viral TikTok videos, and I'm going to break down why they went viral and what you need to take away from those videos so you can implement them into your TikTok content strategy to increase your chances of going viral. Because if you're an organic marketer, if you have a business, if you're an affiliate marketer, basically, if you're just trying to grow a business or a brand online, obviously you want to use TikTok right now because the organic reach is incredible. Even new accounts can see massive success on their first video. So this is a real opportunity. You're going to see as we go into my TikTok account here, I use TikTok for affiliate marketing. If you want to do TikTok affiliate marketing the way I do with high ticket products, just go to my15daychallenge.com after the video, or follow a link somewhere around this video if there is one. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into my TikTok account. Now, once again, you're going to see that I use this to promote a specific product, but we're going to talk about the framework, the key points that cause a video to go viral. So what we're going to see here is my most recent quote-unquote viral video is 177,000 views so far, and it's still increasing pretty dramatically. That's generated about 6,000 followers as well. Rough estimation, of course. So it's really powerful. So if we watch this video, what you're going to see here is obviously that's not me. What this is this is a person who's using TikTok to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. So what's going on here is obviously my account is teaching affiliate marketing. So that's important. We always want to stay on topic. We want to stay on brand, right? We don't want to just go viral for the sake of going viral. If we go viral, we want it to be content that might be of interest to our ideal customer. So everything I'm talking about on my entire TikTok account is affiliate marketing. This particular account has about 1 million followers, and they were using that strategy where they say, hey, things you didn't know you need off Amazon, and then they show an Amazon product, and then they have a link in their bio that goes to a link tree which takes you over to their Amazon page, which has all the products that they reviewed, right? So that's how they're doing affiliate marketing. Well, what I noticed with that video is that had a ton of views. That had 1 million views. So what I did is I wanted to capture some of that magic, right? And what I mean by that is I used the Stitch program that's inside TikTok, right? And if you don't know what the Stitch program is, that allows you to use another video. You can use any 5-second clip from it. I happen to use the first 5-second clip, and then I record my video after. So basically what I did is I started with that clip where they jumped into their review. Then I brought myself into it after 5 seconds, and I said, hey, this is how they're doing affiliate marketing. And if we watch this really quickly, you're going to see I basically explained the situation. Hopefully y'all can hear this.
Just like this, check it out. When you click on her bio, there's going to be a link tree link. When you click on that, it's going to show you this, where you can find all of the Amazon finds. After you click on that, it's going to take you to a page on Amazon that looks like this, which has all the products that they've detailed on their TikTok. And when you click on any product, it's going to take you to the product page where you can actually buy the product from Amazon. Now, when you buy the product, she is going to get credit for the sale because you clicked her affiliate link, and she's going to earn a commission or a percentage of the sale. That's affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and the type of high-ticket affiliate marketing that I do, go ahead and check the link in the bio or ask me any questions and I'll help you out.
And then if we take a look at the beginning here, you're going to see
things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. Trust me when I say road trips have never been the same.
She's in a...
So that's how that works. So the idea here is there's going to be a few factors that are going to trip the algorithm, are going to help your TikToks go viral. Now, I think the first thing that TikTok's going to be looking at is those scroll stoppers, right? If you're cruising through TikTok and something catches your attention and you start to watch that video, that's one of the first signals that TikTok is looking for. So by going over to that account, I looked at a very popular account and I looked for one of the most popular videos. So that video happened to already have 1 million views in it on its own, the one I used for the Stitch. So what that's telling me is that's pretty much perfect for TikTok's algorithm. TikTok loves that. So I'm going to borrow some of their magic. And what I mean by that is if a video has 1 million views on TikTok or 1 million views plus, they probably nailed everything, right? They got the scroll stopper, they got the watch time, which we'll talk about. They got the click over to bio, which is going to be important as well, which we'll talk about in just a second as well. Okay, they nailed everything. That's the only way you're going to get 1 million views on a video unless you're some superstar, right? So the bottom line is I'm using that scroll stopper by taking the first 5 seconds of the video and then bringing that into my video. So you can use that as well. Find videos that are doing extremely well that are related to your niche. Borrow the first 5 seconds because that's a proven scroll stopper. There's no way to understand really what it is, but something about the way she came onto the camera. Maybe it was the way she brought her boyfriend into the screen. Maybe it was the exact positioning of the title or the text. I don't know. The bottom line is we know it worked because it was a popular video. Let's go back over to my TikTok here and let's look for some more. So this one right here is a video. They got 13,000. So not crazy viral, but pretty good results. So as you can see here, there's no words for me in this. I'm not talking in this video. It's just using some music. The reason this worked is you can see the text here. In the time that it's going to take Pennsylvania to count their votes, you can start a business was my call to action. So as you can see here, this is relevant to what's going on right now. And that's super important with TikTok. So just for reference, if you're watching this video, years from now, this was the 2020 presidential election between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. This was like on Wednesday or Thursday, basically before the election was called. And if you remember that election, we were basically waiting on results from states like Georgia, Pennsylvania, Nevada, and maybe Arizona as well. So what happened here is it kind of became a big joke that Nevada and Pennsylvania were counting their votes super slow. So this was relevant not only to what was going on across the country, a topic that everybody was familiar with, but this is also kind of trending topic on TikTok. So what I did is I took that and I said, hey, in the time it's going to take Pennsylvania to count their votes, you can start your online business. And the whole idea there is I'm taking that current event and I'm lumping it into my niche because basically what I want to do is I want to get people over to my bio so they click on my link so they learn how to start a high ticket affiliate marketing business, right? That's how I make money. I'm an affiliate marketer. So boom, seamless integration with a current topic into my brand. So that worked out really well. Another important point to make is I also did this with Nevada as well. And this video did not take off. I did pretty much the same thing, right? I used another state, another joke, another current event, and it didn't take off. The bottom line is you just got to keep creating content. What I see on TikTok is there's really no penalty for creating more videos, right? Like if you post too much on Facebook, a lot of those posts are going to die because Facebook's not going to push them out, right? They're not going to push out 13 posts from you every single day. But if you post on TikTok, they're just going to find the ones that do well. And it seems to be no penalty for over publishing. So just go ahead and do it. And once again, you just kind of got to harness the magic. But obviously, you can use some of the tricks to increase your odds. This one right here got about 14,000 videos. Obviously, this is a perfect example of a strategy that I use all the time. We call it hook story offer. Okay. And this is super powerful. So obviously the hook, my newest business just crossed $40,000 in a month. That people see that, right? With text on the screen, right? They're going to be like, whoa, that's the scroll stopper, right? That's the hook. Okay. So that's definitely going to catch your attention, right? Man, that's decent. So if you don't have, results like that, you can use some sort of other amazing fact about you, your business, something related, right? Something that's going to capture the attention of people who might be interested in what you have to offer, right? I teach people how to start affiliate marketing businesses. So generally that's going to be people who want to make money. So, hey, guess what? My newest business just crossed $40,000 a month. Awesome. That's a good hook for my audience. And then I go into the story section. What you're going to see here is no drop shipping, no selling courses, no clients, no physical products, right? That's the story. Like that's adding intrigue. Like, okay, cool. I want to start a business, but I also don't want to do all those other things, right? I don't want to do drop shipping. I don't want to sell courses. I don't want to take on clients. I don't want to worry about physical products, right? So you can lump that into your niche as well. What's the main goal? And then what do they not want, right? So what's the main goal is the hook. And then what do they not want about that is the story. So for example, let's say you're a personal trainer and you want to help people lose weight. So the hook could be, how client A lost 10 pounds in 3 weeks, right? That's a hook. Cool. Who wouldn't want to lose 10 pounds in 3 weeks? Well, then you go in with the story. Without dieting, without cutting out carbs, without cutting out dairy. Okay, that's your story. How do you get the thing you want without the pain, without what you don't want to do? You know, you don't want to diet, you don't want to cut out carbs, you don't want to cut out dairy. Okay, that's the story. And then the offer is learn more with an arrow to my bio, right? That's the offer. Learn more. So what that's doing is that's capturing attention with a hook. It's really building the intrigue with the story, and then the offer gets the click over to the bio. So really what I'm doing is I'm catering to what TikTok's algorithms want. I want them to stop the scroll, I want them to watch, and I want them to click over to my bio, right? So that's working pretty well. Let's do one more here, and then I think you'll have a pretty good idea of what you need to do if you want to go viral on TikTok. Give me a second while this loads. All right, here's another great example here. This one did 57,000 views. Okay, so this works pretty cool, and this is interesting. You can use this in a lot of different ways. So basically what I did is I started by taking something you see all the time in the make money online niche, right? People telling you how to sell iPhone cases, right? How to sell t-shirts, right? How to make money selling children's books, right? So see, these videos, they do very well because it seems very easy to do, right? Like, I could sell iPhone cases online. I could sell children's books. And these videos get tons of views. However, we don't want to introduce people to that opportunity because we want to introduce them to our opportunity. So what I did is I started this video off, as you can see here. I'm real hyped up. I'm real excited. I'm your typical TikTok guy. How to make $1,000 a day selling iPhone cases, right? So it's got a lot of things that are going to catch your attention. It's got many scroll stoppers. It's a proven formula, right? All those videos, how to make $100 a day selling children's books, all those videos do very well on TikTok. So what you first have to do is look into your niche or arena and see what does very well, even if it's super ridiculous. But as you're going to see here, we're not going to stoop down to their level because I'm getting the scroll stopper, right? A proven scroll stopper. How to make $1,000 a day selling iPhone cases. And then you're going to see here the big payoff. Boom. Straight to text, right? And I say, don't. It's a logistical nightmare with low margins, fulfillment issues, and zero repeat buyers. Do high-ticket affiliate marketing instead and thank me later. Learn how in the bio. So what I did is I basically tore down another business model or another talked about business model, and I introduced my opportunity as the new opportunity. This works great because I'm basically discrediting another popular option. So by default, in this moment, people are going to have to trust my model because I just discredited one that they obviously thought would work because they stopped on the scroll. Hopefully that makes sense. So once again, then it's that was the hook. You know, how to make $1,000 a day selling iPhone cases. This is my story, and the offer is learn how in the bio. So a couple of things are happening here. First, I got the hook. I'm getting the scroll stopper. I got learn how in the bio. I'm getting the click over to the bio, which should help the TikTok algorithm. But also, if you're going to watch this whole thing, we'll watch this whole video. So if you'll notice there, it depends on how fast you read. But I deliberately made the time that text was on the screen just a little bit too long to read so the text was a little bit too long to read and the amount of time that I left it on the screen. Hopefully that makes sense. The amount of time that was on the screen, it probably wasn't long enough for someone to read through that and really comprehend it the first time they saw that. So by default, what's going to happen there is if people are interested in that because I gave them a big hook, how to make $1,000 a day, but then flipped it, they're probably going to want to see what I had to say, right? They're going to want to read it again. So what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to watch my video a second time. So if I can get the scroll stop, people to click over to my bio, and to get the watch time on this video actually longer than the actual video itself, right? People are watching this video twice. They're watching it for 14 seconds, but the video itself is only 7 seconds. That's going to trip the algorithm as well on TikTok, and it's going to start pushing this video out to more people. So that's basically the three tricks or tactics I use to make sure I go viral on TikTok. One quick thing about that though, I don't think it works if you do like a 3-second video. I think videos have to be at least 7 or 8 seconds to really go viral. But that's a perfect example of how you can use that to your advantage by making people watch the second video a second time. So hopefully that was helpful. Once again, I hope you can understand like how you can really apply that to your niche, right? Those are just the basic principles, the framework that can help you out on TikTok. And once again, if you don't have a product or you want to do affiliate marketing, but you want to do what's working right now, or you want to model my success, and then go to my15daychallenge.com or go ahead and follow a link that's somewhere around this video. Come on over. I'll follow up with more training because I want you to be successful. And a lot of people are being successful with this program, especially on TikTok. So it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll see you in the next video.